Hi, and welcome to your overview of the results section. The first thing you need to do is click on the Advertise section. Then, scroll down until you find your recent campaigns. In here, you can click on any icon you prefer, and that will take you to this section. The first thing you'll notice is you have a green bar showing you if your ads are looking great, and there are no optimizations needed. If there's something that you need to do, you will see it here. You have three new tabs: the Results 1, Editor, Preview, and Optimization and Insights. You will see a couple of different metrics like spend, clicks, cost per click, CTR, reach, and cost per lead. As you can see, you even have a variance depending on the dates you set in this little box. You will see you have your ad activity section. In this case, no ad activity is recorded because nothing has been edited. But here, you will see your history log. You also have this chart for actual results versus forecasted results that will show you how much you are saving with your campaign. If you keep scrolling down, you will see this lead calculator. If you add $10 and save, this will show you how much value you have generated. If you keep scrolling down, you can see some campaign reporting for global metrics, and if you have different ad sets, you will see them listed here. At the bottom of everything is your roadmap calendar, where you can see how performance is looking. This is a continuous assessment. Last thing you'll find here is the recommendations section. If you tap to generate, you will see a campaign summary, a targeting analysis and research recommendations, and some general recommendations. These are relevant if you want to optimize your campaign. So we suggest always taking a look. The second section is the Edit and Preview one. You will be able to edit your campaign, pause the campaign, or even edit ad set settings. Here's where you can edit the targeting and the creative. If you go to the next section, you have the optimization and insights here. You can see the best performing combinations for both creative and audiences. And if you scroll down, you have the optimized for me switches in here. You will see the creative report for all the assets that are running inside the campaign. You can see the performance scoring to understand what's working and what's not. And if you scroll down, you will see the optimization history. In this case, no record has been saved as this campaign is brand new. Last, you have the option to download a PDF, so you can save and check the results later. This is a great place to check your campaign at a first glance, so we suggest keeping this tab open most of the time.